Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to cancel an order on Shein. To do that, first open your Shein application on your mobile phone, or you can also use your website of Shein. After that, make sure that you are logged into your Shein's account. Now here you can see your home page. Now tap on me at down right corner. Now here you can see my orders. On the side you can see view all. Tap on view all. Now here you can see the order that you have placed. Now to cancel the order, tap on cancel order option at down. Then here you'll be asked whether you really want to cancel your order. Tap on confirm cancel. With that, now here you'll be asked the reason for cancelling your order. You can select any of the reason mentioned, or you can also enter your own reason. After cancelling your order, the used points and coupons will be returned to your account. After selecting the reason, tap on submit. With that, your order will be cancelled successfully. If you have already selected payment method as well, then if you cancel order, after submitting your reason, you will be guided to the refund method page where you can choose between Shein wallet and payment account. In Shein wallet, your money will be saved in Shein account. You can choose it for your future purchases on Shein. If you want the refund in bank or credit card or your debit card, then click on payment account. After that, click on submit option. With that, you'll be further guided with other processes and you will be able to cancel order on Shein. This is how we can cancel an order on Shein. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.